Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our title is about pie chart and we call it also percentage chart. Whenever we apply this chart, we have to choose two columns or two rows. So it doesn't work on multiple columns or multiple rows. For example, we are going to start from the column, from the row first. First of all, I should select the row I want to apply this chart. So I choose this and I come here under the insert. I have here the chart. This one is pie chart. I click on this and I choose the first one. You can see the employer is Joe's. It's here. It's the title, chart title, and also I have the other four elements. You can see. As I said, somehow we call it also percentage. So I want to show you now. When I come here, you can see it divided on percentage. From here, from the design, we can change, we can choose whatever we want. We have different, it depends on your dashboard or the company you work. It depends on that. Maybe some company has their own kind of formats they have to apply, and we have different kind of styles here. You can adjust. You can see. So now I want to select two rows. You can see. Okay, I select this and come here, insert, and this one. You can see there is not any difference between these two. These are basically the same, but I have selected two rows. As I said, it doesn't work in that way. So whenever I want to delete a chart, I just right click and cut. And also we can apply these on columns. I select this column and I come here, insert, and yep, you can see it works perfectly. You can see these are the names, and also this is my chart, and I can change the style from here. I have different styles, and I think this one is a little bit better, or this one. So it depends, as I said, it depends where you work, and it depends your dashboard. And also I want to apply two columns. If I want to apply, I just come here, select two columns, and I come here, insert. You can see the same. As I said, it doesn't work in multiple columns or multiple rows. It just works in a specific one column and one row. How to customize our chart. So from here I have this filter. I can filter my chart. For example, I come here, you can see I have all of these. I can unselect all of these. I want to choose just few, and I select few and apply from here. You can see now I have these 6 people here. And also when I come again and select all and apply. From here we can filter our chart. And also from here I can, when I double click on the title, I can change the title. For example, quarter 1, I just want to write sell first. And also from here we can add elements from here or from here, doesn't matter. We can add, like you can see it's the legend. I can change its place, its position, and I can choose here top. You can see this legends. I can transfer this. It depends the work. You can see now it works way better. From here I can adjust, and also from here at chart elements, when I click here, you can see I can add title. You can see I have live preview here, and it just work fine. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.